What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today I'm out here with MMB Technology Group, my preferred installer in San Antonio. And I'm just thrilled to be out here marketing this territory. We are showing off a lot of his jobs that he's completed, as well as some of the Dreamedia jobs and DIYers. A bunch of content over here and really cool projects. But going forward, our preferred installer, Billy, which I'm going to introduce in just a moment, is going to be recording content on our Dreamedia Installs channel. You guys have been asking for us showing you the process in depth more and more. So the reason I started the install channel is so you can see the day-to-day installations occurring, whether it's just simply mounting a TV on a wall, or if it's running wires for a 5.1, or doing a whole home audio setup, pre-wiring houses, security systems, alarm systems. I mean, we do it all. Our guys do everything from automation to home theater. So you gotta head over to the Dreamedia Installs channel and you're gonna see Billy in action. All right, guys, well, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Let's get into it after the intro. Hey guys, Billy here with MMB Technology Group, preferred installer for Dreamedia. Guys, we service everything in San Antonio and surrounding areas. So that's going to include places like Boerne, Fair Oaks Ranch, Spring Branch, Bulverde, Selma, Schertz, Cibolo, you name it, Lavernia, Marion, Seguin. We're out here in New Berlin right now, taking care of a house. So guys, we take care of pretty much anything surrounding San Antonio. We'll go out as far as Concan, guys, and y'all know how far that is, and that's a really vacation hotspot. We love it out there. It's beautiful. Guys, we've been in business for 5 years now, since 2016. We really pride ourselves, and the biggest thing is that our customers are 100% satisfied or 100% happy. We're not going to stop and we're not going to give up until you are 100% happy with your service. That's why we do have our 5-star rating. Me and my guys, we've been doing this for a while. Between us, we have over 20 years of experience in it. And we absolutely, the difference between us and a lot of people is we love what we do. We actually have fun doing what we do. It's not work to us anymore. We show up with a smile on our face, and we love to see the customer smile on their face when the project is finished. We absolutely love it. Just to see you light up makes our day, and it makes it all worth the while. Guys, we will take care of you 100%, and we will see you whenever you're ready to get something amazing done with your home. What do you guys think? Pretty cool, huh? Another 5-star partner. You guys know that it is my passion, my dream to put a home theater in every single house in America. And I can't do it without awesome guys like Billy out there providing 5-star work. Again, it is the recipe for success. Long-term success, we are gonna be there for you. We wanna make sure from start to finish for years and years to come that you guys get the service that you deserve. So reach out today and show your support. We have a free consultation service where we will FaceTime video call with you guys, Zoom, Duo, whatever. We're gonna see you face to face, walk through your house, and we're gonna create a system design and find something that fits your exact needs and budget. That's really important, needs and budget. And not to mention, we have all the industry leading manufacturers to choose from. Whenever we look at video, we have Epson, JVC, Sony. When we look at audio, we have Focal, Martin Logan, ELAC, Klipsch, and the list goes on and on. We have everything that you guys need, and we ship throughout the entire nation. So call and give us a shot. Make sure to ask about our preferred installers. If you're in San Antonio, you know who to call. But if you're in another state, reach out and we'll get you hooked up with those pros. Well, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.